can see the actual name of the ship now. Rotterdam Koningsdam. I didn't know it said Rotterdam below it. Look at it. Look at the beauty. We're boarding now. We're on the boarding to the Koningsdam.
Long time to go through security and customs. Finally here. Now let's go. Oh, I'm tired.
Today's video, I'm taking you on a journey to Alaska. Starting from Vancouver, our first stop is Juneau, which will be in our next video, so remember to subscribe. Look at these hand washing machines. You just put your hand in and bam, you're done.
Oh, very nice. It's actually quite nice. It's quite warm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there soap?
I think it automatically does it.
So this is round one of our Koningsdam lunch at the Lido market. Thank you. No worries. Thank you so much. Ice cream. Ice cream.
I'll have chocolate. Yeah, do you want a cone?
There's strawberry, Mama. You want strawberry?
With the peanuts on top. Ooh, that looks delicious. Thank you.
Cheers.
Sure. Yeah, thank you.
And here you go.
Alright, this is a hot tub. No one's in it right now. And we are situated right outside waterfront.
Just even showers.
Shower over here. It's so cool. Alright, and we're enjoying a Canucks drink. To the top floor, deck 10.
Well, at least that we can access as far as
Automatic. That's what I like to see. You can climb even higher to deck 11. Oh, you got your playground, exercise, sporting. And then we're setting sail, we're moving already.
Maybe we can just walk in a circle.
Yep, so from what I've heard, this top floor you have access to the entire ship. And that's Canada Place. And we're going to Alaska.
I'm taking off.
Oh, right there?
Exactly.
Where are they gonna do? I think just the cabanas are private.
Oh, I see. Ah.
Wait. If no one even checks, let's just go in a cabana.
Oh, the bridge.
Oh, there's the bridge. Wow, we're going fast. Imagine if we hit the bridge. That'll be sad. We did it. Snuck our way into a cabana.
Because no one's looking.
But usually it's a private area, so you have to pay probably like $1,000 bucks. But no one knows. Alright, so we're at the cruise nest and we stumbled upon the board games. I see Mahjong here.
Stratego.
And then each briefcase has like its own board game in it.
Jenga.
And we're in the thermal suite. Wow!
Is a paid area.
Yes.
It is $198 per person for the entire cruise, or $50 a day. This water has minerals, traces of vitamins. The Rainforest Shower.
Wow!
As well.
Is this water also mineral water?
I don't know what this one, but I assume all the water is.
Wow, what the hell? That's cool.
We have two floors. The large screen one has an ocean view and overflow head facility. We have on this side a small theater. So this fits 2-3 people at a time.
Wow.
And then we also have a heated lounge chair.
Oh, these?
And this is good for busting, kayaking.
That's easy, yes. Easier.
And just stand right here and try to walk normally by placing your right foot here, left foot here, and one more step. 1, 2, and one more. Okay, let's check it first. Okay. So this is great.
It's good. It's good.
And okay.
I know I have.
Don't worry about this because it's outside. So can you see that you have some kind of dark spots? That's
Okay.
are your pressure points. Okay. So later we'll be speaking about them.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
1 second. So
I know for a fact I have flat feet, so let's see.
maybe a lower. First. It's okay.
Okay, so we want a foot like that.
Flat foot. Here you have a flat foot, right?
Oh no.
You're a
On
winner.
this one? Both?
Can you see that this straight line here? So no arch at all. Okay. And also you have a pressure point in your big toe. That means you're taking a lot of pressure inwards. So you have your feet in pronation. We'll speak about that, but it's related with knee pain.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. So keep that and then we can.
This is the pizza place, New York Deli and Pizza, right here. And they got the pizza over there, and they got it in the oven, and you get fries. Yay! We won 8464.
Who is this? I don't
No,
know.
that's what we got. $100 buying credit. Pretty cool.
57 at the side, please.
Alright, our first meal in the dining room, dining hall.
And we have a designated table.
57, right?
Yes. Let's see, free bread. Everyone's dressed up.
It's okay because today's attire is casual.
Yeah. And it's not like we're at a specialty restaurant. Look how pretty this place is. Okay, so our spot has a window. Every other spot doesn't really have a window for most of it, so we got pretty lucky. Okay, this is the show that we want to watch. I think it's just started. It's like a movie theater. Wow.
No one here.
Let's go right to the center stage. Oh, there's a lot of people.
We can go over.
Okay.
Let's sit over there.
It should be
Good
centered.
evening, everyone. Good evening. Just making sure you're out there. All right, welcome on board. My name is Betty Ann. I am your cruise and travel director, and I hope that you are ready for the voyage of a lifetime. Time to see the town before and after the tour. Now next, after that, after Skagway, it is all about Glacier Bay National Park. Now I'm going to give a standalone presentation called Spectacular Day in Glacier Bay to help
And that's all we've recorded for day 1. So remember to like and subscribe and tune in for day 2.
What's that?
That's why I got it for you.